I recently joined the popcorn army. I've already been promoted to colonel. My wife told me, don't get upset if someone calls you fat. You're much bigger than that. What's the tallest building in the world? The library, because it has the most stories. What do you call a hippie's wife? A Mississippi. Why do dogs float on water so easily? Because they're good buoys. What's faster, hot or cold? Hot is, because you can catch a cold. It all. Title just about says it all. I'm Bob Jeffy. Good night all. I'll be back tomorrow. Thank you. This podcast was generated using AutoGen podcast technology from Classic Studios. These lame, groan-inducing jokes were sourced from the dad joke subreddit from reddit.com. Check the show notes page for joke credits.